start with these gorgeous red Kashmiri chilies. I have 8 here, and the best way to get these really nice and soft for the masala is to hydrate them with some hot boiling water. I like to leave these overnight if possible, but if not, a minimum of 30 minutes should rehydrate the skins. I'm also going to soak a 2-inch ball of tamarind in 1 cup of water. In my food processor, I'm going to add all of the chilies, followed by the tamarind, a 1/4 cup of ginger, a 1/4 cup of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and I'm also going to throw in some whole spices. I have a 2-inch stick of cinnamon, 2 cardamoms, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. Add this in, and I'm going to get the lid on and start to process it. This is a good start, but we really want this paste to be nice and smooth. I'm adding in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. If you have a food processor that's not steel like mine is, you can also add the turmeric later. I'm going to keep adding a little water at a time to get that nice smooth texture. You can use regular water if you like, but I'm just using the water that I use to soak the chilies. This is now perfect. It's glistening and smooth. You can make this masala ahead and you can store it in your fridge. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this very delicious recipe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and don't forget to share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends, and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.